Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up your PM schedules in DriveWare. It's very simple. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and print your vehicle list. So you go into the vehicles active list and print them. And then here you notice that there should be an option here for the odometer report, so you can easily write down the odometers for each vehicle. And then this is used for entering the initial odometer settings, and you do that from the vehicle maintenance. It's quicker if you do it from the vehicle maintenance module. So once you've printed your odometer report and have gotten all the odometer readings from the vehicles, go to the vehicle maintenance, and here you'll notice that you can go into the odometer update odometers here, and then usually you want to put in initial setup and then go through and put in then the new odometers for each vehicle. And this is a batch process, so you simply go through and enter it for each vehicle, and then you click update all. Okay, so this updates the vehicle, and now you have the current odometers for each of your active vehicles. Now you can go into the vehicle icon here and highlight each vehicle and then click on service reminders. You notice that we refer to PMs as basically service reminders because that's what you're generating from the PM codes. So for each vehicle, you would be able to put in select the PM from the list. So this one we're just doing a regular oil filter, and notice that that's just by the miles, and it's generating the next odometer for us. And then we might have another one for brake inspection. That's every 12,000 miles, so it's putting in the next odometers. And if there's any more, you can just simply select it. You may have a B inspection or C inspection, and so you put those in. And notice that it also can handle by days or by the kilometer or miles. So now you have set up the PM codes. You can go to the next vehicle, do that. So what you would do then is when you're updating the odometers from the sales module, you have the driver's paperwork back, or you're updating the odometer. Now the service orders, the service reminders will display now based on the new odometer. Okay, so one thing to do is before you get started with entering the PMs and for the service reminders is make sure your PM codes are set up the way you like them. Like we have an existing PM code list that you can see here. If you don't have this list, we can send it to you so you can start from here. You notice that you have the PM code, and each one has a description and a code, and whether it's going to be by days, odometer, or both. Okay, so basically you can set them up this way. You should have this list already by default. This is something that we ship, and it should be in the in your directory. So when you're going to look at these PM codes, you should see these already there. If they're not there, we can upload it for you. Should have the CD inspections. Of course, this based on each company, this might be a little bit different, or you may have more PM codes which you can easily add. So you notice that I went into System and clicked on PM codes to see my PM code list, and I'm able to change the odometer settings and days here, and then it's going to be the type PM by default. And again, once you highlight a vehicle and click on service reminders, which is the same that we use the terminology service reminders, it's the same thing as a PM schedule. You can go in and see all the PM schedules for that vehicle and add a new one. Okay, it's that simple. So once you set this up, then when you're updating the odometers from the sales, drivers bring back the paperwork. You have the new odometer in the sales module updated. It updates here, and it shows you the next service reminder. When you come into the program, you'll see it immediately with the list of all the vehicles and all the services that are due. Okay. There's also we have some recorded videos online on tv.driver.com that you can watch that are like webinars that cover everything for setting up, creating a service order, managing parts. It's all explained in a recorded webinar that's almost 1 hour long. But this quick video shows you how to set up the PM schedules. Hope you find it useful. Thank you.